Good morning, students. Welcome to your math lesson. And today we are working on lesson 4-5, page 153. And here is the I can statement. I can break apart numbers and add within 100 using place value strategies. Okay, for this lesson, you're going to need your Envision Math workbook, and we are on page 153. You might need your place value mat and your hundreds grid. You'll definitely need your whiteboard and your marker and something to erase with. Okay, and if you want to choose to use your place value blocks, you can do that. If you have place value blocks, or if you have the ones that you made out of cardboard. Okay, get those out as well. All right, let's get started. We are going to start with the solve and share on page 153. And the solve and share asks you to solve this problem. Monica has 24 crayons. And Paul has 64 crayons. How many crayons do they have altogether? So listening to altogether, I know that that is going to be an addition problem. So we're looking for the sum. We're looking for the sum. Okay, so this is the solve and share. Will have already done this. I'm going to go ahead and work through it as well. Okay, so if you are going to draw place value blocks, you would draw 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. The dots represent the ones and the lines represent longs, a 10. And then I would do 64 as well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So right away I can see that 4 plus 4 does not entail any regrouping. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 right there in the ones place value. And then I'm going to count the 10s. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. So my answer is 88 crayons altogether. Okay? So that's how you would do the solve and share. You might have done it a different way. You can use your open number line starting at 24 and counting up 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Fifty, 50, 60 jumps, 6 tens. Right, so two ways. Using the place value blocks, I drew them, but you can go ahead and use place value blocks if you like to touch them and hold them and move them around. And the open number line. Okay, and here's another way we can use. We can go to our hundreds grid, 64 plus 60, 24 plus 64, so we would circle 24. We would go down the number grid, but you're going up the number line, 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and we get to 84. And then we go across 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land on 88. So it's 3 different ways. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a new way, and today I'm going to teach you how to break apart numbers. Okay, and we're going to practice this together, break apart numbers. So let's turn the page. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2 ones, 1, 2 equals 69. Okay? So we are adding the 5 tens first, 17, plus 5 tens, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 5 tenths, and 2 ones, 67, 68, 69. Okay, so we split it apart into the tens and the ones, just like we do every day with the expanded form of the number of the day. All right? The other way you can do it is to break it apart to make a friendly number. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that with number 2 because it fits better with number 2. Number 2 in the guided practice on page 154 is they're asking you to solve 69 plus 23. And here you can use the friendly number, which means you're making 69 a friendly number. And in order to do that, you want to put a 0 in the ones place value. So you would have to take a 1 from here and add it to 69. All right, so this becomes 22, and this becomes 70. Okay, and then we add it. So we have 70, 80, 92. $70 plus 20 plus 2. 70, 80, 90, 2 tens plus 2, 91, 92. All right, let's double check that with the hundreds grid. Right, we're starting at 69. We find 69, and we're adding 23. So we go up 2 tens and 3 ones across. 1, 2, 3. I get 92, and that's what I got over here as well. Okay, I did this kind of quick. Feel free to go back and look at the 2 ways I showed you how to solve 2-digit problems using place value, or you can go back to the solve and share earlier part of the video and see the 3 other ways that I showed you using the hundreds grid, using the number line, or using the blocks. And these are all different ways you can use your place value knowledge and apply it to